How to install and use Game Guardian for Android without root. Firstly, launch any browser that you have on your phone and you're just gonna do a Google search for bphone gaga bmos. Click on the first link here, bphone gaga bmos virtual space no root. Scroll down here and tap on download this file, and you're gonna download this first one here. I have already downloaded this file, so I'm gonna go to downloads folder and install it directly from there. This one. Once it's installed, tap on open, tap on agree. Now this app might crash, and if it does so, you're gonna have to relaunch the app once again back and complete these steps that I show here. Tap on enter bphone gaga and turn on. On this screen, we're gonna scroll down, find the bphone gaga here and enable it. Once it's done, go back. Now tap on to authorize, allow all the permissions here. Now it's initializing, we're gonna have to wait. It shows here it isn't responding, so I'm gonna have to close the app here and relaunch it back. So let's launch it one more time from the home screen. So once it's done, tap on next step. I got it. Go to system setting, go to root and enable the root and restart now. So it will act as a complete new system on your Android phone. If you scroll up, we have one Via browser, launch it. Now we're gonna install the independent Game Guardian here, Game Guardian Official. Click on the first link, Game Guardian Official Downloads. Scroll down, tap on download this file, agree and download. Wait for the download to finish. In the meantime, you can also download the game that you want to install. Either you can download from using this Play Store, or you can use the browser. I'm gonna use the browser here. I'm gonna search for the Hill Climb Racing latest APK. Let's download it from the trusted source. Wait for the download to finish. If you go to downloads folder here, I already have the Game Guardian downloaded, so let's tap on install. Go to settings and allow the Game Guardian to install from Via browser. Go back and install. Once the installation has been done, don't open it yet, tap on done. If you go to home screen, you'll see that we have two Game Guardian here, so we can launch any one of them and allow the access, continue. Okay, tap on default mode here. Tap on install anyway, don't send, continue. We're gonna tap on OK. So tap on OK now, and Game Guardian has been installed. So we can just tap on start here, and we have the Game Guardian here. And go to downloads folder on Via browser once again and install this game here. Tap on done, and now launch the game. If you start the game now, and now if you tap on Game Guardian floating icon here, so it gives you option to select the process, and we can choose here Hill Climb Racing. So that's how you can install and use Game Guardian on Android without root. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel.